Namaskar, I am Sri Surojit Sastry, world famous lake specialist. I have seen 150 countries people. Before 37 years ago, I will start my journey. I will represent the line of lake, smell of lake, and shape of lake. I will forecast future, present, and past. To the point, I will see whose ladies or gents lake little, little. They have no future bright. I am always surprising that most of the people their leg is little, not big. They are walking when they have sound. So little leg have sound is very poor type of fate. They cannot reach heavy amount of money, social respect, and huge wealth of his life or of her life. Some of the time, little leg are beneficial when under the leg is level not equal to others. This is fact. Leg is short, then the result will not come. I am sure if one person have 6 fingers in leg, they also very much lucky. In 2 legs also it provides. I always remember in leg specialist activities research when the person have wear the shoe with caring, they are in bright future. Namaste.